Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. If you're looking for a travel app that's up and coming and packed with features, you're in the right place. I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about Navan, the new travel app on the market. So without further ado, let's get into it. Navan is a new all-in-one travel platform that combines flight booking, hotel reservations, car rentals, and more into one single app. It aims to simplify the travel booking process by providing a one-stop shop for all your travel needs. Navan was founded in 2021 and is a popular business travel management platform. But how does it work? Well, to use Navan, you simply download the app on your Apple or your Android device. From there, you can research for flights, hotels, car rentals, and so much more. Navan aggregates results from multiple providers to give you the best deals and options. One of the key features of Navan is its AI-powered recommendations. Based on your travel preferences and past bookings, Navan can suggest personalized trip ideas and itineraries. It can also monitor flight prices and alert you when there's a good deal on the go. Navan also offers a 24/7 customer support and a cancel for any reason policy, which allows you to cancel your trip up to 24 hours before departure and receive a full refund. Now, why is Navan beneficial? Well, Navan is beneficial for a few reasons, including its convenience, personalization, flexibility, its great customer support, and overall having all of these features in one place. Now, Navan is a promising new travel app and it aims to make booking and planning trips a whole lot easier and more enjoyable for you as the user. If you want to know more about the platform, you can go ahead over to navan.com and check out all of its features. If this was helpful, go ahead, drop us a like, and we'll see you next time. Peace.